Okay, so I've got the timing cover, oil pump, oil filter housing off, and there's a few things I just wanted to talk about. First of all, when we look inside the case, there is absolutely no sludge buildup. The oil came out nice and clean and yellow, okay? And when we look at the gears themselves, there's virtually no backlash, okay? And there's no side play. All of the gears, you can see, they're clean. There's no wear on the teeth. Even the worm gear that drives the oil pump, which is prone to wear, has no wear. And when we look at the oil pump drive itself, there's no wear on those teeth. Those are brand new. So what am I trying to say? This bike, it says 3,700 kilometers on the odometer, but I've learned in the past never to trust an odometer reading. Okay, people screw with those all the time. But when I look at the interior of this engine, there is no wear. This is a low mileage engine. I don't have to crack the head. I don't need to open this engine up. I'm just going to fine tune everything, set the timing, and put it all back together.